Hi, my name is Sanaf, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a thumbnail on your Android smartphone. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the description of the video for the link you need on where to download the app. So once you've installed it and opened it, you should be greeted with this default selection. Don't click any of these other presets because that will not make the thumbnail. The button you want to click on it's at the top. These three buttons right here, like that. And the one you want to click on is image size. Click custom and YouTube thumbnail. Click OK. And now what you want to do is import your image you want to use by clicking the three dots again and use image from gallery. And the image I'm going to be using is this one. Click the check mark. And now if you don't see the text box automatically, you can click the text, and it should pop up like that. Now that the text has appeared, you see that it's small. You can resize it like this. Now click the edit to add your text. I'm going to be adding this one. Now you can click OK, and you see that the text is way too big. You can click the size to resize it like that. And you see that it's still too big, but you can do is click this little dot right here to resize the text box like that. And you can place it anywhere you want. I'm going to place it at the bottom like that. And if you want to change the color, you can just go like right here, the color in black, but I'm going to choose white. Now, if you want to add effects to your text, you can click the styles button, browse, and you have a bunch of defaults. The one I like to use is the one at the bottom, the sample, this one, because it adds the cool effect. Now, once you're done with your image, you want to click the three dots again and click export image and click save to gallery. And now you can go to your gallery to see your picture that you just made. Right there. How to screen record on Android for free. The thumbnail I just made is there. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.